Hello everybody, I'm just making this brief video to explain how we put courses together and how we can actually develop different courses that we can have people coming online and actually paying for or providing them for free. So you're an instructor and you've got ideas, you're an instructor, trainer, leader, whatever we want to call it. We're going into vibrations dashboard to build a new course. I'm doing it this way because you then see the word learn pass and you see the word courses. Okay, so you can see we've got one I've already built. So I'm now going into the next one, and I'm purely going to do this on a subject that has been created by other people in this particular instance. So it's going to be called guitar course. So what I want to do is take you through the different aspects of this. So you can put initial media straight in, but here you're looking at the curriculum and you're going to be putting in, say for example, lesson 1, and here you would add in your image of a student potentially, or a guitar, or whatever, or maybe just something that fits in with what we're doing. So we've got an image there now, which is good. There's a number of key bits that we will need. There's quite a lot of information on here. Let's go through it nice and steady. So we know that we have the different lessons, and we know that we can then create material about a lesson. So we can go into lesson 1 and we can develop that particular material. Okay, so select item, and there you have, I've already built one just a few minutes earlier, and there we go. Okay, so that's lesson 1 that's already gone into position, and what we then do potentially is we can go to the top here if we wanted to and develop the next lesson. This is the same space there as we have here. So as we click on there, we can add the new lesson, and we put a title in there. So I'm now potentially going to look online and put a lesson 2 in to see what I get. And strangely enough, we have a lesson 2. So again, amazingly, we can add that to our lesson 2. We can add, in this instance, a single video. We can just go into there, put our video in, submit it. There's our video all ready for us. Insert it into the editor. This will then embed it directly into the page. This is lesson 2. Now we could have some notes, we can have all sorts of things in here. We can attach files, we can type a whole paragraph, we can put additional videos in, we could put bulletin points to point out the different things we could get from this particular lesson. We can add loads of different things, but in this case I'm keeping it nice and simple. You can add photographs obviously through there should you wish, etc. So again, we would look through here, make sure we've got everything that we need. Yes, we have. We can then publish that and that's our second lesson there. So if I now go into the courses and we go into the edit and we go into just further down into our options, we then can put in lesson 2. We press enter button. It then gives us the opportunity of selecting items. We select lesson 2, add it, and we publish it. So this automatically means that we're developing different bits and pieces towards it. We can ask questions, we can look at doing quizzes, we can, if you look further down here, we can have assessments, we have a pricing structure. So for those of us that are looking at the commercial side of it, we can add the pricing that we want to. Okay, so all these are there. We can go back to our view course, and there we have the actual overview. Now in this particular case, I would probably add a picture, or look to see where the picture's gone, because we can see we've got the lessons, we can see it's me that's done it, and there's a review section there depending on your views. So this is basic introduction to what we're putting together here, which will be the courses, and obviously the links will then be available in our course material. Thanks very much indeed for taking the time to watch that particular video.